In the 18th and 19th centuries, brave frontiersmen and mountain men would venture out into the unknown to unlock the map that is North America. Amongst their gear, they carried a pouch. This pouch contained essential items, all that they could possibly need for a day's survival in the wild. It became known as the Possibles pouch. Depending on the lifestyle of the person, the Possibles pouch contained various items essential to the daily routine, tailored to specific necessity.
Let's talk Possibles pouch.
And the variation of content is equaled only by the number of crafters. There is no right or wrong setup, as situation dictates preparedness, and the contents, as well as the pouch itself, can change according to necessity or whim.
We have assumed control.
Hey everyone, so now I'm going to show you what I carry in my Possibles pouch for around my area when I'm going on simple short day hikes, nothing crazy, maybe just out walking the dogs. So as you can see, this is my pouch. I've elected to go with a MOLLE setup. I've got 3 different pouches MOLLE'd together. They're secured onto a belt. On my belt I carry a buck knife, I have a looking glass, and I have a flashlight. You never know when that can come in handy. Now on my kit itself, my 3 components, I've got my fire making side, I've got my first aid side, and then I've got my general all-purpose pouches. So let's start off with showing you what's in the med kit. Very simple med kit that I carry out here. Got a pair of latex gloves, various bandages, butterflies included, a blood clotting agent. This has already come in handy on several different occasions. Some white tape, some Gorilla Crazy Glue, disinfectant spray, roll of gauze, survival blanket. That's it, that's all. That's my little kit for med. Now on the fire making side, come over here. In this little pouch, I've already emptied it out. This is what I carry. I carry a little Altoids tin fire kit that I put together. Inside of this little kit, I have a super match, I have a mini Bic lighter, I have various multiple wooden matches, and I have some dried up fire tinders, all kept in here in this nice little convenient pouch. This can also be turned by putting a hole into the bottom. You can use it to make char cloth, charred punk wood, what you may need. I also carry a little fire striker for the ferro rods, burn gel, a pocket bellows, very handy. In this bag I have some homemade super matches, 3 different variations on that. I have a pine pitch tinder bundle, and I've got some super strike matches. For tinder, I carry some dried birch powder as well as some shavings mixed in there. Some old man's beard collected in the forest from all around me. I also like to carry some jute twine. Comes in real handy when you're trying to make some birds' nests. That's the fire kit. Basic, simple, but it works. Now, in the main part, the main components that I carry here, I have my Silva compass. Never get lost if you know how to use one of these. My Leatherman multi-tool. Carbon sharpener for my knives. I carry another Bic lighter. On this Bic, I've secured the valve with a zip tie. That way it cannot become depressed inside of my pack and I don't bleed out all my fuel. Signaling whistle. Always have a signaling whistle when you're out and about. This is some pine pitch that I made myself. If you don't know what pine pitch is, you can YouTube that. Another handy thing to have. my Mora knife, an X-Acto blade, a nice black Sharpie. This Sharpie works alongside my trail tape. Whenever I wander off, especially in areas where I'm unfamiliar, I like to mark my trail. And I keep the Sharpie so that I can initial my trail tape in case I come across areas where they've used the exact same color. And the last piece here on this side that I really enjoy having with me, and I always carry it, is hockey tape. This stuff has so many uses, and probably so many more that I haven't yet discovered. Carry some zip ties, a reusable silicone Ziploc bag, my spool tool with about 60 to 65 feet of number 36 bank line. And that, everyone, is what I carry in my local travel possibles pouch. If I go anywhere different, anything in here can be changed out, swapped over. You can add to the pouch, you can take away from the pouch. Whatever your situation demands, that's what you run with. So I suggest that you get out and you get yourself your own possibles pouch and create yourself your own. That's what you need to do. Thank you. See you next time.